all my family and friends, welcome to another episode. Have you ever been in a rush in the afternoon and said, oh, what are we going to have for dinner? Have a quick little dish, a tuna casserole. So let's get to it. Okay, I put in 1 can of tuna and just kind of took a fork and kind of mashed it up. And then I'm taking another one. I try to use the white solid tuna. This is chicken of the sea, white solid tuna. You just kind of mash it up. It's good to have some big pieces, but I like some small ones too. Okay, to this I'm going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Try to get all that out. Because I don't have any juice to wash it out with, so I'm having to scrape. It takes just a little bit longer, but that's all right. Okay. Going to just kind of mix my tuna in with my cream of mushroom soup. Now I have crushed up 2 cups of potato chips that we're going to mix in to our tuna and mushroom soup. And now I forgot to say, your tuna, you need to have it drained. You need to drain your tuna. And I'm going to add sweet peas, English peas, baby peas, whatever you want to call them. But I put 1 can in peas and they are drained. Okay, I went ahead and cooked my, to save time, I went ahead and cooked my egg noodles. But I just used about the medium egg noodles, about 8 to 10 ounces of them. I've already cooked them and rinsed them, drained them and rinsed them. So we're just going to mix the noodles in to the mixture here. And I have my oven set on 350. And I'm going to put this in the oven. Once I get this mixed up, I'm going to put it into the oven and bake it for about 15 minutes. Okay, I have taken it out of the oven. It cooked for 15 minutes at 350. What I like to do now is just take a few more crushed potato chips and just kind of sprinkle on top just to give a little bit of extra crunch. And that is the tuna casserole. Hey, that is a quick little meal, and a salad or whatever you'd like to go with it. Hope you try it and like it. Remember, God is good all the time.
All the time, God is good.